People sometimes ask me how many nines of availability they should provide for their service. So 4 nines is 4.4 minutes of downtime a month. The telcos used to aim for 6 nines, which is 100 times better than that. So it's really difficult to meet 4 nines, and it's almost impossible to meet 6. So the question really comes down to, how do you get better? There are a handful of approaches. The first thing is that you have to make sure that your ability to detect and repair something happens inside that 4-minute window. So you basically have 30 seconds or so to figure out that you have an issue, maybe a minute or two to fix it, and then a minute or two for things to normalize again. That baseline means that you're automating. Second, incidents need to be rare, because the ones that are handled manually are going to take you an hour or two, and that's going to blow your budget for the entire year. Now, realistically, what people do is that they give themselves a red X for that month, and then they try to get checks, green checks for every other month. But it doesn't mean your customer's any happier. Lastly, the better you do, oddly, the better people expect. Which of us carries 2 cell phones on 2 different networks so that if one's down, the other one will work? Hardly anybody. But I know that when I first got an iPhone, I had another phone just to be able to make calls. And the iPhone was great at pretty much everything other than the cellular network back in the day. It's great now, but it took time. And so people's expectations get built around the availability of the devices they use.